Hey everyone, and welcome to the Mac Observer, and in this video I'll show you how to fix the iPhone volume if it keeps going down. Now, the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to update your iPhone software. To do so, open up the Settings app, then head over to General. Afterwards, make sure to tap on Software Update, and in here just install the latest update that shows up. From here on, you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to disable the attention aware features. Now from here on, tap on Settings, then head over to Accessibility, so tap on this category. Afterwards, scroll down until you find the Face ID and Attention category and tap on it, and then simply toggle to off the attention aware features. Input your password to make sure that this feature will be changed, and then you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to turn off Reduce Loud Sounds. To do so, open up the Settings app, then scroll down until you find the Sounds and Haptics category and tap on it. From here on, scroll down until you find the Headphone Safety category and select it, and you can turn off the Reduce Loud Audio option. From here on, you can check if the problem still persists. And that's it, super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.